So recently my neighbor asked me why his window AC was not cooling enough. He said that it used to perform really good and now it hasn't. So I asked him, have you cleaned it? And he said, no. I agreed to help him clean it. But first, before we started the cleaning process, we wanted to find out what the current readings were. We wanted to see a before and after, and hopefully the after was better than the before. So you'll see me using a temperature sensor right at the exit of the cool air that pumps out of the AC. After some time, the lowest temperature that the sensor was showing was 50 degrees. So 50 was the coldest air that this AC was pumping out. So first on our list to check off was to clean that filter that comes in the front. Sometimes it slides out of the top, sometimes it slides out of the side. So here you see that I went ahead and I pulled it out because I wanted to see how dirty it was. After cleaning the filter that's in the front, next we had to open the AC. On the front of the AC, there's an LCD screen. So you gotta be careful when you're pulling off the front, not to yank those wires out or else you're going to damage those wires. So be very gentle with removing the front. The rest of the unit is like a metallic cover on it, and it has Phillips head screws all over it. There's many of them. Take them all off, wiggle, take your time, be gentle, and it'll come off. You want to be careful not to damage the fins that are on the coils. Next, we were going to identify the coils, the evaporator coil and the condenser coil. And these two coils were the ones that we were going to use a cleaning product to clean them. So I used the King coil cleaner, and we mixed half of it, half the bottle with the coil cleaner and the other half of the bottle with water. And we sprayed it down like crazy. After about 20 minutes of letting that solution soak in and clean the coils, we went ahead and used just a garden hose with some pressure on it and cleaned everything out. We let it dry for about half an hour or so. We put it in the sun. You don't have to, but it dries a little bit faster. Put everything back together, and now we're ready to test it. It was exciting to see how low we were going to get that air temperature coming out of the AC. So the same location at which I had the temperature sensor the first time, using the same sensor, we were able to bring it all the way down to... That's right, we brought our air temperature down from 50 down to 32. So if you're feeling that your window AC is not cooling like it used to, maybe this could be one of the reasons why, if you have not cleaned it in the last year or so. Thanks for watching. Links, updates, corrections, all in the description.